Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle hauls, fashion, unboxings, travel, owning your own business, life of celiac, all the things. And today I'm super excited because today I spent $170 at Mayfair buying myself my dream matching sweat set, and I want to unbox it and show it to you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into the haul, if you guys know me, you know I am a cozy girl at heart. I love styling outfits and stuff like that, but I live for sweatpants and sweat sets. And Mayfair makes a bunch of really cool sweat sets and stuff, and a lot of their stuff is like an emphasis on kind of like mental health centric messages. It's really nice messages talking about like be nice to people, empathy, kindness, and I got the Somebody Loves You sweat set and I'm so excited. And I will also say I do have another Mayfair set coming because I did shop the Avery Woods Mayfair collab, which I'm screeching about, but that won't be getting in for like another month or so. It's like back ordered. I did like the pre-order for the launch. So shortly after, Mayfair did a 50% off sale. And when I tell you I've wanted this Somebody Loves Me set for going on 4 years now, like literally since the start of the pandemic, I've been looking at this set and telling myself if it ever goes above like on sale for like more than 40%, I'm getting it. And they literally did a 50% sale. So I snagged it. So our official first Mayfair group package is in. I am so excited right now, so let's open it together. Oh, and here's the other thing. They sent me a free tote as a part of this like sale and promotion that they were doing. So I can't wait to show you guys this tote too. But here is my Somebody Loves You sweatpants. And my Somebody Loves You sweatshirt, so let me try it on. Also, when I tell you guys right now that I think Matt is gonna hate this and like not want to be seen with me in public because it is so loud and slightly obnoxious, but I'm obsessed with it and I love it, so let me put it on. Okay, sweatshirt is on and I'm obsessed already. I'm obsessed. I got the small medium versus the extra small because I wanted this to be like very, very cozy. And also because I think it's pure cotton and I think it will shrink in the wash. Oh my gosh. You are a dream. Somebody loves you. All the colored hearts, all the squiggles. Look at this cutie strawberry. Do you die for him? Because I die for him. I don't know why I think it's a him. He's got beautiful eyelashes, but it's a him. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the top. And hold on, I should drop the camera to put on the bottoms. Okay, wait, you guys, here's the other reason as to why now I'm excited that I got this in a little oversized, is because at some point your girl's gonna have a baby that she's growing, and we're gonna want all the oversized things. Oh my God, wait, it's also so soft. Oh my gosh. Is it too big or no? It's like, it's just supposed to be oversized. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, look at the sweatpants. You guys, look how fun they are. It says, life is beautiful, La Dolce Vita. Look at this fun ice cream. Look at the little ice cream girl. We have a freaking flamingo on the leg. Like, I cannot get over how freaking cute this set is. I am absolutely obsessed with it. Yummy, all the flowers. It's also so warm. It's so thick. This is literally perfect for the fall and the winter. I am obsessed with this. I love this so much. Somebody loves you. Have a lovely day. There's just so many nice things all over this. Look at the back. Baby, like there, it's just, oh my God. It's so fun. It's so loud, it's so me. This just feels like such a freaking personality set for me. I'm absolutely gonna do a like photo shoot in this in the winter at some point. Just like big, fun, cozy, big personality kind of shoot. I just love this set. I love it so much. And I just feel like a matching sweat set is such a great way to make yourself feel put together. Even if it's loud, even if it's oversized, there's just something about wearing a matching set that makes you feel, it just makes you feel good. And it's the perfect thing to wear to the airport or to just like be cozy around the house, but you still want to kind of feel cute. I just love it. I love it so much, so I need to know what you guys think. Do you guys think it's too big? I feel like it's fine because I really do think I'm gonna end up like washing and drying it and it will end up shrinking. So that's a good thing. And yeah, I like it oversized. This is gonna be my maternity sweat set one day. Right, Goody? Gouda's over here because he got jealous that we were opening packages. But last thing that I will show you as part of this order that Mayfair gifted me because I shopped their big sale. Shoving everything in the garbage, okay. You guys, this, oh my God, it's a really big tote too. Wow, this is very nice. Okay, so this is one side. Look how big this tote bag is. It's got this cutie little rainbow and flowers on it. And this cutie little flower that says Mayfair. And then what's really nice is at the front of the bag, they have this gorgeous Mayfair stitched in blue. And you deserve to be happy. How cute! Oh my God, I love this. I literally love this tote bag. I will be wearing this all the time. Hey, Gouda. Gouda, not for you. Gouda's trying to take all the garbage from the garbage. Come here. Come here. Thank you for that kiss. So this is the Mayfair Somebody Loves You sweat set. I'm obsessed with it. I couldn't love it anymore. It's so soft, it's so cozy. The quality is so, so good. I have been, the reason why I've been wanting to order from Mayfair for 4 years is because I saw this and it screamed at me, but also because everyone that I've seen that has ordered from Mayfair says they are the best quality sweat sets. They're just unbelievable. And it is so thick, it is so soft. I am so excited. So if you guys liked this Mayfair Somebody Loves You sweat set haul, hit the thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see you guys then.